Michael, the European Patent Office just released its latest filing figures. We see an increase, especially in the Asian markets. Do you experience that as well in your international translation network with MultiLing?
Absolutely. It's interesting that the numbers of Asian filings by our customers has dramatically increased, not only in Japan, but China in particular. And also potential customers that seems to be the main focus. Can you translate into Chinese our patents for filing there? And of course we can.
What are you doing in your company to fulfill the specific needs in the Asian markets?
As you know, Akeem, we've had offices in Asia for many years. Our Korean office and Japanese office have been fully functioning for several years now. We recently added the office in China, in Tianjin, right outside Beijing. It's a great location for us. We have immediate access to our partner Chinese patent agents with whom we work very closely. And it's a great location for setting up our particular in-house teams. And the team is going very well now. They're fully engaged. It's growing. We've got interest not only for translating into Chinese, but also from Chinese into English, because so many of our customers need to have prior art translate so they can understand when they write their patents, try to avoid infringing on a Chinese patent that's been filed by a Chinese company.
Michael, in your presentation, you described a detailed process of centralized translation services for several customers. Is this model applicable for European customers entering the Asian market as well?
Yes, that is specifically where we have the greatest interest for European customers, is serving the growing needs in Asia. The model is applicable to multiple source languages, just not English. And we're doing that for several customers right now, going from Asian languages into European and South American languages, for example. But for European customers going to Asian, it works extremely well.
Could you once more point out in a few sentences what are the key advantages of using your centralized model?
The model has reduced the cost of total ownership for the patent during the life of the patent. It has shortened the time required to get a patent approved in the country that we seek the filing. It's reduced the number of office action associated costs that are involved with that. And so basically we're reducing the risk for the party that owns that intellectual property. Moreover, when it's really done well and processes are optimized overall, some of our customers have been able to double the numbers of jurisdictions into which they file without spending any more money. The same spend, but double the number of filings worldwide. That allows attorneys to focus on what they do and to make business decisions based on what's in the best interest of the company, rather than just being limited by budget constraints. It's a good win-win for everyone.
Michael, we also heard interesting news about a new patent prosecution highway. Is that something that your customers and your company use?
They are looking at it carefully. It's a growing trend, and some are actually moving in that direction now. What it requires, however, is optimum quality, the best quality delivered within a short period of time. There's a very short window that a company can use this particular procedure. And when it's used properly, then they save almost 2 years off the time it takes for some of these Asian filings to get the patent protection. And the certainty of getting that filing, getting that patent accepted increases dramatically. So the combination of the centralized translation model that we've introduced, plus application of the patent prosecution highway, which is a series of bilateral agreements between different patent offices, the use of both those simultaneously yields tremendous results, decreasing cost, risk for our customers, and helping them do better throughout the world.